Yank them down. Yank his little bit of self down. There we go. There we go. This is unreal. Unreal. Bruh. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kiki here, back with another video. What's up? So today I am going to be reacting to another scene from Raid Redemption. So this one is the final fight scene. This is gonna be the last video I do on this because I do want to watch it. So I don't think me reacting to these videos is gonna spoil it too bad for me, because watching these fight scenes over again in the movie, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be dope. Yes, this is the last one, you guys, and I'm done with this series of reaction videos towards this movie. So I just want to go ahead and get right into it. Just got off work, so I'm tired. Please forgive me. So like, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. If you want, you can press that bell and get notified when I post. You know what I'm saying? So let's get right into the video. Let's get into it. Gosh. Oh, he just walked in like, what's up? He is so short, but he is lethal. You hear me? Lethal. Ooh, he jacked his hand up. So he just let him down. That's different. So he knew he was about to fight both of them. How is the dude who was getting beat up before his friend or his brother or whatever, I think that's his brother from the title of the other videos, how he gonna start fighting with his hand all jacked up?
Boy, if you don't get...
Somebody explain it to me. Okay. Woo. 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 He's lethal with the knees. I like that music in the background. Yeah, yank him down. Yank his little bit of self down.
Do it! Just do it!
There we go. There we go. Don't swing that body. Right, he a little bit. You use his weight against him, cause he using it against y'all. Like, come on. Dang. Break his arm or something, his leg or something. Choke him. Ooh. Bruh, he is holding his own against these two. For him to be so small, bruh, small, look, weight, height is nothing if you know how to use it. Nothing. He is holding his own in this fight, bruh.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
I said, get up. He getting choked to death now. Come on. Now you tired. Why is he still fighting with that thing in his neck? This is unreal. Unreal. Maybe because he didn't take it out. If he take it out, he's gonna bleed out. Yeah, that's what it is. Bro. Oh my God. He said, then just walked off like some gangsters. What? Bro, you have to admit though, he held his own in that fight, okay? He did that. For him to be so small, even though he died in the end, he did that. He did that. And they did that. Oh yeah. Alright, y'all. That is my reaction to the last final fight scene, Mad Dog versus Rama and Andi. So yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys later on throughout the week. And like, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell so you will get notified when I post a video. Okay. So love you guys. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you in my next video.